Welcome to this app demonstration of Strata for iOS, an app that I made. This is a demonstration, so it is not yet available on the App Store, but it will be, and it's not yet operational either, because this is just a demonstration, but it also took a while. So thanks for tuning in. Oh my god, I already ruined this thing. Alright, let's do it. You can see my mouse right here. You can also see when I click. So let's run through the tutorial. Introduction. This iOS app, built for Apple's operating system, is a tool to aid users in creating tasks, organizing them into events, and providing a simple interface to complete events that users specify themselves. The menu contains the tasks, events, and account sections. This is how users navigate the app. Tap the Tasks section on the menu to continue. Tasks are the single steps that you want to accomplish. They are meant to be added together to create events. Below is the task menu that includes an option to add new tasks as well as existing tasks. Here the example is brush teeth. Tap Tasks to continue. Tasks are limited to the space given, so best practice is to keep it short and concise, about 2 to 3 words. This is intentional. Below is an example for if a user types in take shower to the create new task slot. Tap Tasks to continue. Users can use the tasks section in its own right. It works just like a check mark. Once tapping the circle on the corresponding line, it either completes the task or reverts back to incomplete. This frame is not yet interactive, but it will be. Now let's move on to events. Tap Events to continue. Events are to organize the tasks created by the user. Below is an event menu, which works similarly to the task menu. There is an option to create a new event, along with existing events. Here, the event menu displays as if to a new user. Tap Events to continue. Once a user creates an event, here the example is morning, up pops a selection screen to add tasks to the event you want to complete. Best practice is to keep events to 1 to 2 words. After typing, users tap the plus button to continue, so let's do that now. Tap the plus button to continue. Once a user taps the plus button for an event, this is the option menu that appears. The options menu is a scrolling view that contains all created tasks. Users add tasks to the events in the order they wish them to appear. So one would, tap add, and then tap finish. So tap Events to continue. Once a task is added to the event, it appears like this. Select all tasks you wish to add to the event. When a task is added, the button turns green. Tap again to unadd. Tap Finish when done adding tasks. This frame is not yet interactive, but it will be. Tap Finish to continue. Once an event is created, it brings you back to the main event view. Created events have buttons to run and edit the respective event. If a user taps Edit, they are brought back to a similar screen depicted in the previous frame. But since running events is one of the main features of this app, let's address that now. Tap Events to continue though. Once an event is run, screen simplicity is intentional. When running an event, it is expected the user complete the specified tasks to, in turn, complete the event. Hence, the next screen will display what the user sees when they tap Run. To proceed to the next screen, you must tap the circle next to each task for the event to complete. Once this happens, the user must confirm the completion of the event by tapping Complete at the bottom of the screen. Tap Run to continue. The next frame will be interactive. Run. Okay, so they said that this would be interactive. So click this, nice. And click this, oh wow, nice. Maybe I clicked that too hastily. I haven't done that yet. Or I haven't done that yet. Or I did this, not this. Okay, alright, I completed the morning event, so I'll hit complete. Congrats, you did the interactive part. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Now the event will have a green check mark next to it, but you can still also run it again if you'd like. You can continue to create new tasks and events for whatever you want. Now let's go on to the final section, menu section, Account. Tap Account to continue. This is what the account menu looks like, pretty basic. It asks for the user's name and email, name just for a personal touch. Users must enter their email to have an account within the system so that their data can be localized and their tasks, events, and info stored. Strata 4 iOS will not have access to any of the data users input. Okay, tap Account to continue. In addition to requiring an email to localize data, there are two options for mailing lists. The first will be automatically checked, as they will be informing users on major software updates, but users can uncheck if they wish. The second is for a more general, infrequent newsletter if users wish to sign up. So that's it. Both of them checked if they want this time. Tap Account to continue. Thank you. This marks the end of the tutorial. If you wish to go through it again, there will be an option under the account menu. There's also a send feedback option, which is not yet operational, but perhaps one day will be. For now, tapping End Tutorial will take you to the sample interface. There you can have a look around the interface without the wording of the tutorial. Thank you so much for reading, interacting, and helping create Strata 4 iOS before your very eyes. Hopefully this may one day become a real thing. End tutorial. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you open the app. Strata 4 iOS, got the logo, productivity simplified, the catchphrase or tagline, whatever you want to call it, subtitle. So let's try tasks first. Okay, so this is a list of sample tasks. So you can see the create new task area, and then all these sample tasks that you can check on and off as you complete them during the day. If you just want to use the tasks section for that, you can, but probably be better to use events for that, to put the tasks into events. So those would probably fall under morning, and it was like go for a run, lift weights. So you can organize all the tasks that you want to complete during the day within these certain events, edit them as you wish, run them to check them off, and then here's the account. You can just have your name in there, your email, and then specify whether you want to receive any emails. You don't have to. Like automatically checked, as I mentioned, is app updates, just to keep you in the loop of the cool things that will be updated in the new software updates, and then the newsletter if you want. And then there's send feedback and replay tutorial. So yeah, that's basically it. Hope you enjoyed this app demonstration, and I'll catch you all later.